In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen and watch your students in Google Meet at the same time. Whether you're a teacher managing an online classroom or leading a virtual meeting, this technique will help you streamline your activities and ensure you're fully engaging with your audience. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open Google Meet. You can easily navigate to the Google Meet homepage through your web browser. Once you're there, you're ready to start setting up your meeting. The next step is to click on New Meeting. This will give you a few options to start. Since we want to jump right in, select Start an Instant Meeting. This will create a session for you and your students to join. After your meeting has been initiated, the focus shifts to sharing your screen. Look for the Present Now button. It's typically located towards the bottom of your screen. Clicking this will prompt a few options for screen sharing. Decide the content you want to present, whether it's your entire screen, a particular window, or a specific tab. Make sure it contains the materials you intend to showcase to your students. Once you've chosen what to share, move on by clicking Share. This action will project the content you selected to everyone in the meeting. Now, while your screen is being shared, if you're thinking about engaging with your students by also seeing their reactions and responses in real time, the sidebar view comes in handy. To activate this, look for a setting on your interface that allows you to switch to a sidebar view, giving you the advantage of seeing your students while you share your screen. This dual capability supports you in tracking both the content you're presenting and your students' feedback simultaneously. With this setup, you will now be able to see your students' faces on one side of the screen while your presentation occupies the main view. This ensures a seamless experience where you can present information, watch their expressions, and address any non-verbal cues they might provide, enhancing your overall teaching effectiveness. It's quite simple, yet very effective. Remember, the key is to make sure you have practiced these steps a few times so you can switch between tasks smoothly when live with your audience. These features make digital teaching and meetings user-friendly and efficient, ensuring you're able to deliver your lesson or presentation fluently without missing out on any student engagement. And there you have it, you've mastered the ability to share your screen and keep an eye on your students in Google Meet all at once. This setup is not only convenient but also essential in maintaining a good connection with your class or audience during virtual interactions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps to become a pro at managing your online sessions with ease.